Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys have been along with me these last few months, I've been traveling and enjoying life, and now we have to snap things on back to reality. The bills are due and the bank is empty, so I'm going back to work. I will be going, I'm supposed to be there by Saturday, which is in 2 days. So I have quite a bit of a drive. It's gonna be about 15 hours to where I'm going. I have quite the list of things to do before I go. First things first, I gotta get my hair together. So I gotta do my hair, laundry, I gotta clean the truck out because it's a mess. I've got to jumpstart the truck because it died, and a few other things. I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys along, but first I'm gonna go ahead and get this hair together because child, she's not doing too good. Also, I'm gonna take this opportunity to let you guys know what I do for a living and why I'm able, or how I'm able to travel while living in this vehicle, and how I'm able to work out of this vehicle. So stay tuned for that as well. Got bro helping me with the step because I'm running low on time, so I can't wait to see how that looks when it's finished. All right, family. I have, with the help of my mother, my dear mom, hello. Hey. She assisted me with my hair. I'm actually very late to leave. I probably left 2 hours ago, but it's okay. Because we're about to get the truck cleaned out, and that needs to happen for my sanity, for my health. Anyway, look at my hair, isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? Anyway, let y'all check this for a second. We're about to clean out this truck. All of the trash will forks and my cleaning supplies look dirty. Jesus. Like, what the hell? Who do that? Oh, I'm telling you.
Yes. Slow down outside.
What's that, you see where that backpack is right there between my purse and that backpack? Yeah. All right. So everything is cleaned up. It is a mint condition, and we are about to go get on the road. Not too ready for it, but we gotta go. Gotta do what we gotta do. Hey you guys, I'm back. I just wanted to check in. I didn't really record me getting here, but I'm here. I made it to my destination, and I've actually this is actually day 2 for my work day, or for my deployment, and I'm just really getting the ball rolling. Normally you'll catch me at a Walmart like a grocery store parking lot, or even at a pilot truck stop, or just at a random lot in general, just, you know, solo, dolo, stealth camping. So I really didn't want to deal with that, because one thing that I do have an issue with is my power consumption. So I operate at any given time my computers for editing, and then also my computer for work. So that drains the holy capoodles out of my battery, especially operating the inverter, which is a 2000 watt inverter. So I wanted a little bit of a different solution than just relying on the solar. Anyway, with that all being said, today I am, or for this week, I'm camping using the HipCamp app. And I learned about this through another van lifer channel, where it's Brittany. She did mention the HipCamp app, and I decided to give it a try. And this first experience has been really great. Warmed up to it, but so far I really like it. I have access to a shower, hot shower, clean shower. I have access to electricity and water. Here it is. So cute. Baby girl is sitting pretty in there. Well, I am quite satisfied with this spot. And it's only $20 a night. Guys, how cute. My goodness. It's super dark out here, but they strung these lights. All right, you guys, I think it's about that time to go ahead and spill the beans. Let's crack this open. Let's talk about it. What is it that she does for a living? How is it that she's able to travel full time out of her box truck? And how is it that she gets to live her best life? Well, my internet friends, let me tell you, this life does not come without sacrifice. And the sacrifice that I make, I am a full-time insurance adjuster. This is a contract job, and I work for 2 to 3 months at a time. I am the person who represents the insurance company and comes out to your house whenever you are dealing with catastrophe or just damage in general. So damage that would exceed your deductible. Let's start there. Or not, because I have those too. But anyways, I'm the person that represents the insurance company. I'll come out, I'll do a full inspection of your property, and then I would prepare an estimate for those damages. I don't know if I've said this already, but this is a very physically, mentally, and spiritually draining job. But it does put food on my table. If any of you are interested in living this life, traveling nomadically as an insurance adjuster, I would highly recommend that you reach out to your local state insurance department and inquire about what you need to do to become licensed in your state of residency. And then from there, you can research the different certifications that you would need to decorate yourself with in order to become a competitive candidate for these companies who contract work to the insurance carriers. Do y'all see this? I've only been parked for a day and it's already a mess in here. Anywho, today, well, tomorrow, we're getting the truck fixed. So I came back to work with the intention of getting my truck fixed. But yes, tomorrow is the day. I got a couple different quotes. So you guys remember I was kind of like wet at the first quote that I got. The second quote that I got, they're talking about replacing my tires and doing everything on the front end for the price that a little bit cheaper than what the other people are going to charge me. So, and I've been to these guys, the second people that I got a quote from, I've been to them before. I know their work is good. It's quality. They're going to do it tomorrow, and they're going to also, they did a little inspection of the truck. So there's something, they're doing some other work on it too. I was like, let's just get it all done. So in order for that to take place, I am boarding the boys, and boarding sounds so bizarre, but it's not. The initial HipCamp service or provider that I went through, she actually she owns a doggy daycare. I'll be getting in a hotel for a couple nights and just really burrowing myself down into my books to get this paperwork done. So what I'm doing right now, I am cleaning out their doggy bag, literally. And yeah, look, the boys are being so well behaved today. There's Morpheo chewing on his toy, Ro sleeping. Here for it. Here for it.
Hi guys! Hi guys! You want to come with me?
They can come out.
My baby!
Okay, that's enough. I'm actually happy that I'm rid of them for a few days. I ain't too mad at that. Alright, family. I'm using my phone because the camera died. But I am back in Virginia, ironically enough. And I'm at the mechanic. That is J&J Auto. They're going to be working on the truck today. Well, today and tomorrow. So I'm going to say goodbye to her. Goodbye, home. It's been really, you need a bath, you need a wash, but whatever. So they're going to be working on the front end today. They're going to be working on the front end, the ball joints, and all that good jazz. Then they're changing the back tires as well, because they're definitely in need to be replaced. So I'm excited. We're finally here. We made it. Let's go. Just wanted to make sure that more or less things are not all over the place. This up. I think we're good to go. Oh boy. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Y'all, it's finished. It's done. And we finna get on the road. But let me show you. So I'm getting some gas right now because it was on and it's good to go ahead and fill up right now before I get to where the gas is $3.09 a gallon versus the $2.89 that it is here. But look at these tires. Gorgeous. Oh. Now, these aren't all terrain, but they're better. They're much better. So that look good. That just looks really good. I'm super happy about it. And I've only driven it now maybe 5 minutes down from the shop to get the gas. So you guys are gonna get some first impressions of what it's like driving this tank with new front end, with everything. Are we through already? Okay, girl. Okay, we're not supposed to top off, so I'm not gonna do that. That's fast. Oh boy. Alright, so anywho, I'm about to take this puppy down the road, this tank, and we're gonna see how it drives. So he said that it's going to be pulling and doing some weird stuff because it's kind of, I need to get it aligned, and that's not something that they would be able to do for me. So let's see how this does. Like I said, I'm a little nervous, but luckily I don't have anywhere important to go. I'm just gonna go get picking up the boys. I ain't seen my babies in 3 days. Has it been 3 days? I don't know. Okay. We're gonna have to get this junk aligned ASAP. Oh, because it's driving really funny. It's like swerve. If I try to go over 60, 65. It's not too bad though. I think I can handle it. I just gotta be paying very close attention. Girl, this baby gonna go off the road. And that's not good. Well, my overall thoughts, like I said, I'm super happy because I don't feel like I'm down the road when I put on my brake. This alignment thing can be dangerous. So I'm gonna turn off the camera now and focus on getting to my destination in one piece.
Just chill. I'm like all
Oh, you're fine. I won't
sticky and
stick you in the video.
that's because the boys were out when they followed me in.
Hi, sweeties.
Morpheus, where you going?
It's like,
Oh, you guys smell so good. You feel so soft.
they got a bath, they got double scrubbings and a conditioning.
Ro is softer than usual. That's awesome.
We got the ears cleaned.
You guys have clean ears? Did you get a bath?
Good job, buddy.
Good job, buddy.
You're so
It was so hard to keep them going outside, you know.
Oh, after they had
They had a bath. It was like,
Honestly,
okay, go to the bathroom, but don't roll in the grass.
honestly, I'm not even picky about it. I just need them clean.